Hey guys, today I am preparing a few meals for my 10 months, almost 11 months old daughter. Your girl can eat, so I like to have a few meals prepared for her with a few variety of different foods that we can just quickly pop in the microwave and she can be good to go for a nice healthy meal. I'm starting off with some butternut squash, sprinkling a little bit of avocado oil and cinnamon on there, mixing it all up, and I'm going to pop it in the microwave. Yes, the microwave. You can put this in the stove or on the stove top, but right now we're doing what's quick, and that's the microwave. And here is the microwave heating up some broccoli florets. I use the microwave a lot. It's just really quick and simple, to be honest. I know it's not the best thing, but hey, it'll do. And right now I'm just chopping up the broccoli. It's really hot. I do not suggest chopping up broccoli straight out the microwave. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I was just trying to get this done super quick, but I'm chopping hers up into really small pieces, and I'm gonna put it in like a little tiny mason jar to store it, and then I'm gonna store the rest of it on like a bigger glass container, and that's just for the rest of the family to eat with whatever else that we're eating that day or the next day. Alright, the next thing I'm going to make is this Tricolor Rotini. So I'm just going to boil a little bit in a tiny little pot and put some in a tiny little mason jar for her. I'm also going to steam some mixed vegetables in the microwave, you guessed it. And there it is. I just drain it and there are some mixed vegetables for her. Alright, so now we're going to make what I call broccoli rice. I'm not sure if that's the actual name for it, but it's literally leftover rice and some of the broccoli that I chopped up earlier. It's one of Luna's favorites. She loves eating broccoli rice, so I make this at least a few times a week for her. Alright, so I'm just going to crack a little black pepper over this and chop it all up. Alright, so now we're moving on to some fruit. We did have some strawberries at this time, so I'm literally just chopping up a few pieces into tiny little slices for her, and then just gonna store it in the refrigerator. I also try to keep bananas on hand because Luna loves bananas, and she also loves baby yogurt, so I like to also keep those in the refrigerator. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.